2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 74,000 miles on the odometer, this truck makes room for the whole family. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including satellite radio, power outlet, automatic headlights, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, air conditioning, ABS, rear-wheel drive, V6 engine. There is no need to worry about a lemon since this vehicle comes with a Carfax buyback guarantee. With an affordable price, why wait any longer? The Nessinger Auto Group has been satisfying customers since 1970. Now in our third generation of family ownership, we are proud to be one of the longest tenured private ownership groups on Long Island. We are also proud to display one of the largest used car inventories on Long Island to fulfill all of your needs. So no matter what type of vehicle you're out in the market for, you may rest assured that our experts will help you find the perfect deal for you. The quality of your experience comes from the quality of our staff. Stop by today and experience the Nessinger difference today.